Hey everyone, and welcome to Aneya Healthy Living. I'm so glad you're here. If you're like me, you're always looking for natural ways to feel your best. Here at Aneya Healthy Living, we're all about making healthy living easy and accessible. We believe that what you put into your body directly affects how you feel, and we're passionate about sharing simple solutions that make a big difference. So if you're ready to reduce inflammation and boost your overall health, stick around. Today, we're diving into the top 7 anti-inflammatory drinks you need to try today. These drinks are not only delicious but also packed with nutrients that can help you fight inflammation from the inside out. Let's get started. Let's kick off our list with a golden favorite, turmeric tea. This vibrant drink has been a staple in traditional medicine for centuries and for good reason. Turmeric, the spice that gives this tea its beautiful color, contains a powerful compound called curcumin. Curcumin is a potent anti-inflammatory agent that works wonders in the body. Think of inflammation as your body's natural response to injury or infection. It's a defense mechanism, but chronic inflammation can lead to various health problems. That's where curcumin comes in. It helps to fight inflammation at the molecular level, reducing the risk of chronic diseases. And it doesn't stop there. Curcumin is also a powerful antioxidant, protecting your cells against damage from harmful free radicals. Free radicals are unstable molecules that can damage our cells, leading to aging and disease. Antioxidants like curcumin neutralize these free radicals, acting like little bodyguards for your cells. To make turmeric tea, simply add a teaspoon of turmeric powder to a cup of hot water. You can enhance the flavor and absorption by adding a pinch of black pepper and a squeeze of lemon juice. Black pepper contains piperine, which has been shown to increase curcumin absorption. And lemon juice adds a refreshing twist while providing a dose of vitamin C. Give turmeric tea a try and experience the incredible anti-inflammatory and antioxidant benefits for yourself. Next up, we have another powerhouse from the spice rack, ginger tea. Ginger has been used for centuries in traditional medicine for its incredible health benefits, and its anti-inflammatory properties are truly impressive. The key to ginger's anti-inflammatory action lies in compounds called gingerols and shogols. These compounds work by blocking the production of inflammatory chemicals in the body, providing relief from inflammation-related discomfort. But that's not all. Ginger is also known to aid digestion and soothe nausea. If you're feeling under the weather or experiencing digestive discomfort, a cup of ginger tea can be incredibly soothing. It works by stimulating digestive juices and relaxing the muscles in your gut, easing nausea and promoting healthy digestion. Making ginger tea is super easy. Simply grate a small piece of fresh ginger root, or use pre-sliced ginger and add it to boiling water. Allow it to steep for 5 to 10 minutes, then strain and enjoy. You can add a touch of honey or lemon for sweetness and flavor. Ginger tea is not only delicious but a natural way to combat inflammation and support your digestive health. Let's move on to a beloved classic, green tea. This popular beverage is cherished worldwide for its refreshing taste and impressive health benefits, especially when it comes to fighting inflammation. Green tea is an excellent source of antioxidants called catechins, with a particular standout called epigallocatechin gallate, or EGCG. EGCG is a potent antioxidant that effectively combats free radicals, protecting your cells from damage and reducing inflammation. Think of free radicals as those pesky troublemakers that can wreak havoc on your cells, leading to inflammation and disease. EGCG steps in as a powerful protector, neutralizing these free radicals and keeping your cells healthy. Regular consumption of green tea has been linked to a lower risk of chronic diseases, including heart disease, certain types of cancer, and even Alzheimer's disease. Brewing the perfect cup of green tea is simple. Use high-quality green tea leaves and steep them in hot but not boiling water for 2 to 3 minutes. Oversteeping can lead to bitterness, so keep an eye on the clock. Enjoy a cup or two of green tea daily to reap its incredible anti-inflammatory and antioxidant benefits. Now let's talk about a delicious and vibrant drink that's gaining popularity for its amazing health benefits, Tart cherry juice. This ruby red juice is a natural powerhouse when it comes to reducing inflammation, especially after exercise. Tart cherries are packed with anthocyanins, which are powerful antioxidants that give the fruit its deep red color. These anthocyanins work their magic by reducing oxidative stress and inflammation in the body. Oxidative stress occurs when there's an imbalance between free radicals and antioxidants in the body. It's like a seesaw that's tipped in the wrong direction. Antioxidants like those found in Tart cherry juice help to restore balance, protecting your cells from damage and reducing inflammation. Studies have shown that drinking tart cherry juice can help reduce muscle soreness and inflammation after exercise. It's a natural way to support your body's recovery process and get you back on track faster. You can find tart cherry juice at most grocery stores or online. Look for unsweetened varieties to avoid added sugars. Drink a glass of tart cherry juice daily or after your workouts to experience its incredible anti-inflammatory and recovery-boosting benefits. Chapter 5, Pineapple Juice, the bromelain powerhouse. Moving on to a tropical delight, pineapple juice. This tangy and refreshing juice is not only delicious but also boasts impressive anti-inflammatory properties, thanks to an enzyme called bromelain. Bromelain is found in the stem and fruit of the pineapple, and has been used for centuries in traditional medicine for its various health benefits. It's a natural enzyme that helps to break down proteins, but it also possesses remarkable anti-inflammatory effects. Bromelain works by interfering with the production of certain inflammatory compounds in the body, effectively reducing inflammation and pain. Studies have shown that bromelain can be helpful in reducing pain and inflammation associated with osteoarthritis, sinusitis, and even sports injuries. It's a natural way to support your body's healing process and find relief from discomfort. When choosing pineapple juice, opt for 100% pure pineapple juice without added sugars. You can also enjoy fresh pineapple, which provides bromelain along with fiber and other essential nutrients. Add pineapple juice to your diet to experience its delicious flavor and benefit from its natural anti-inflammatory properties. Chapter 6, Matcha Latte, the antioxidant powerhouse. Let's talk about a vibrant and energizing drink that's become increasingly popular, the matcha latte. Matcha is a type of green tea, but it's even more concentrated in antioxidants, making it a true powerhouse for fighting inflammation. Unlike regular green tea, where the leaves are steeped in water, matcha is made from finely ground green tea leaves. This means you're consuming the entire leaf, resulting in a higher concentration of antioxidants, particularly EGCG. Remember EGCG, that potent antioxidant we talked about earlier? Matcha is jam-packed with it, providing even more protection against free radical damage and inflammation. Regular consumption of matcha has been linked to improved heart health, brain function, and even a reduced risk of cancer. It's a delicious and convenient way to boost your antioxidant intake and support overall health. To make a matcha latte, simply whisk a teaspoon of matcha powder with a small amount of hot water until smooth. Then add your choice of milk, such as almond milk, coconut milk, or dairy milk, and sweeten to taste with honey or maple syrup. Enjoy a matcha latte as a morning pick-me-up or an afternoon treat and experience its incredible antioxidant and anti-inflammatory benefits. Chapter 7, Blueberry Smoothie, a delicious antioxidant blast. Last but certainly not least, let's whip up a delicious and nutritious treat, the blueberry smoothie. Blueberries are nutritional powerhouses bursting with antioxidants and anti-inflammatory compounds that can benefit your health in numerous ways. Blueberries get their beautiful deep blue color from anthocyanins, which are potent antioxidants that help protect your cells from damage caused by free radicals. These free radicals can wreak havoc on our cells, leading to inflammation and disease. But blueberries don't stop there. They're also packed with vitamin C, another powerful antioxidant that supports a healthy immune system and protects against oxidative stress. Adding blueberries to your diet can help reduce inflammation, boost brain health, and support heart health. They're incredibly versatile and can be enjoyed fresh, frozen, or in smoothies, yogurt bowls, and more. To make a simple blueberry smoothie, blend a handful of blueberries with your choice of milk or yogurt, a banana for sweetness and creaminess, and a handful of spinach for an extra boost of nutrients. You can also add a scoop of protein powder for a more filling meal or snack. Enjoy a blueberry smoothie as a delicious and convenient way to load up on antioxidants and fight inflammation from the inside out. So there you have it, our top 7 anti-inflammatory drinks that are easy to make and incredibly beneficial for your health. Which one are you most excited to try? Let me know in the comments below. If you found this video helpful, please give a thumbs up and subscribe to Aneya Healthy Living for more natural health tips and delicious recipes. Remember, small changes can make a big difference in your overall well-being. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.